Hello everyone, we are doing wave optics exercise today. So before doing the exercise of wave optics, first of all we should understand some formulas which we have to use in this chapter. The first formula is in terms of refractive index, as Huygens has proved, that is mu is equal to c upon v, that is speed of light in vacuum upon any medium. This we have studied in ray optics also. To what? Sine of I upon what? Sine of R is equal to, we can convert this mu in terms of what? Wavelength. That is very important, because there are some questions in which mu and wavelength is related. How we can convert it out? There is a formula, and that formula is what? That is V is equal to lambda into frequency. And one important thing, frequency will remains what? Same. Frequency कैसी रहती है? कांस्टेंट रहती है. और कैसी रहती है? सेम. अगर हम एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में जाते हैं, तो यहाँ पर C है, तो यहाँ हमने ले लिया लैम्डा 1, फ्रीक्वेंसी को ले लिया F. यहाँ V है, यहाँ हमने ले लिया लैम्डा 2 और इसको क्या ले लिया F. तो हमारे पास ये फॉर्मूला आ गया, दैट इज म्यू इज इक्वल टू C by V is equal to lambda 1 by what? Lambda 2. This is one formula we will use in this chapter again and again. Now the second formula we will use on what? On interference. And the formula for interference is what? That we have got I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 times of under root I1 under root I2 into what? Cos phi. In this formula, if we have to find out for maxima, then the formula comes to be what? Under root of I1 plus under root of I2 ka whole square. And for I minima, the formula is what? Under root of I1 minus under root of I2 का होल स्क्वायर. कैसे मिला हमें? एक बार हमने cos phi को +1 रखा और एक बार हमने cos phi को क्या रखा? -1. तो ये हमारे दोनों फॉर्मूलेज हमने ड्राइव कर रखे हैं अपने लेक्चर्स में. नाउ we can make this formula more simplify. If I1 is equal to I2 is equal to what? I0, then this formula can be converted in this way, that is I is equal to I0 plus 2 times of under root I0 into what? Cos phi. Then I is equal to 2 I0 plus 2 times of I0 root I0 हो गया into what? Cos phi. When we solve, 2 I0 will take in out common, 1 plus what? Cos phi. And 1 plus cos phi हाफ एंगल में चेंज करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 2 I0 in bracket. When you will simplify it, then it is how much? 2 times of cos square phi by 2 half angle. Then this formula is what? 4 I0 cos square phi by 2. ये हम खूब यूज करेंगे न्यूमेरिकल्स में. Another formula. Now the third formula in this is in this way, that is delta x path difference is equal to how much? N lambda. For bright, delta is what? Path difference. And delta x is equal to 2n plus 1 into what? Into lambda by 2 for what? Dark. This we have drive out. These things we have drive out till now. Now one more formula we have drive, that is phi is equal to k times of delta x, or we can write as if this is what? 2 pi upon lambda of what? Delta x. This formula we will use in the numericals. And there is YDAC base, that is y is equal to n lambda capital D upon what? Small d. This formula we will use. Y is the distance from the central wire to the fringe, nth fringe. In the same way, beta is equal to how much? Beta is equal to lambda d upon what? D. This formula we will use. One more formula is there, that is theta, angular width. We will discuss in a question. That will be how much? Y upon what? D. Or we can use it what? Beta upon D. It can be written as what? Beta upon D also. We will do it later on. These are the few formulas which we will use in this chapter. again and again. Now we will start the questions. There are 4 questions we are doing in the first round till these type of questions. Then there is diffraction based questions and polarization. That formulas we will discuss later on. So after formulas, this is our first question. The first question is monochromatic light of wavelength 580 nanometer is incident from air on a water surface. Full stop. What is the wavelength, comma, frequency and speed? First point, reflected. Second, by refracted light. Given what? Mu is equal to refractive index of water is 1.33. तो क्वेश्चन समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. हमको क्या दिया हुआ है? लैम्डा दिया हुआ है. सोल्यूशन देखें तो हमको वेवलेंथ दी हुई है एंड दैट इज हाउ मच? 580 नैनोमीटर. व्हेन वी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मीटर, 580 इंटू 10 की पावर -9 मीटर. दूसरा क्या दे रखा हमको? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ व्हाट? वाटर. इट इज 1.33 और 4/3. अब इन्होंने कहा कि ये जब लाइट रे, इस वेवलेंथ की लाइट रे किसी इंटरफेस पे गिरती है, दिस इज व्हाट? अ इंटरफेस. इंटरफेस पे गिरती है तो क्या होगा? तो ये कह रहे हैं कि रिफ्लेक्शन होगा एंड रिफ्रैक्शन होगा. आपको रिफ्लेक्शन और रिफ्रैक्शन में चेंजेस बताने हैं. किसमें? वेवलेंथ में, फ्रीक्वेंसी में और इसमें. तो ये रे, ये मीडियम क्या है? एयर है. और ये नीचे वाला मीडियम क्या है? वाटर है. तो व्हेन अ रे ऑफ लाइट गोज फ्रॉम rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal. It has bended like this. So this is angle of incidence. Let us suppose this is angle of refraction. So this is what? This is refracted ray. And this is what? This is incident ray. And some part of this ray will be what? In this way. So this is the thing which is going on. And this is what? Reflected ray. So we are talking about the two things, for this and for this. So first of all we are talking A, for what? For reflected, for this medium we are talking. The most important thing is what? The important thing is that medium is same. Medium is same. When the medium is same, then speed is also what? Speed is same. The first thing we have got, that speed is what? Same in reflected ray. Second, what is frequency? We have discussed that will remains what? Same. Frequency, either we are going in the same medium or other medium, frequency is always what? Same. Third thing, the wavelength is also what? Same. In this, wavelength is also same. So in this, wavelength, frequency and speed, all the three things will remain what? Same. Now what is the amount of frequency that we have to find out in this? It is same. But first of all, but the frequency is not given. We have given only wavelength. So we will know a formula that we have written in the lecture, and that formula is what? V is equal to lambda into what? F. For speed in air, it is how much? C. Lambda they have given you how much? 580 into 10 to power 9 into what? F we have to find out. The value of F is equal to 3 into 10 की power 8. This is speed of light, divided by 580 into 10 की power what? 9. When you will solve this, this will comes to be approximately 5.09 into 10 की power 14 hertz. This is first part here. Now moving on to the what? Second part. And second part is what? Second part we are talking about what? Refracted ray. So in refracted ray, frequency for refracted ray. For this, what is the first thing is what? Frequency will remains what? Same. Frequency is same. What is the frequency value? That is 5.09 into 10 की power 14 hertz. Now what changes? Speed will change because we are moving from one medium to another. Now how much speed will change? That we should understand. So we have derived the formula in the earlier lecture, that is speed and wavelength relationship we have got. So we can find out, and that formula is what? Mu is equal to C upon what? V, or we can write v is, if the speed in this medium is what, v, that is what, c upon what, mu. C is 3 into 10 ki power 8 and mu is how much? Mu for what? Water we are what talking, that is 1.33. When you will solve, then v speed in this medium is comes to be 2.25 into 10 ki power 8 meter per second. Now third thing is what? Wavelength. We will talk about what? Wavelength. The wavelength in water according to our formulas will be what? Wavelength in air upon what? Refractive index in water. कैसे आया ये फॉर्मूला? हमने फॉर्मूला पढ़ा था म्यू इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, लैम्डा 1 अपॉन व्हाट, लैम्डा 2. यहाँ पर लैम्डा 1 क्या है? एयर, और लैम्डा 2 किसके लिए बात कर रहे हैं हम? वाटर के लिए. तो यहाँ पर वेवलेंथ इन वाटर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? लैम्डा ऑफ एयर इज हाउ मच? दिस इज एयर, यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट. दिस इज हाउ मच? दिस इज 580 इंटू 10 की पावर -9 upon how much? 1.33. When you will solve, this is approximately 442.01 nanometer. So this is the solution of what? First question. So you should note down this. In this way we have. Now question number 2 is, what is the shape of wavefront in each of the following cases? First case is what? We have to draw the wavefront. We know that wavefront and ray makes an angle what? 90 degree. That is the concept. The first answer A, we will deal what? A light diverging from a point source. If this is a point source S, the light is diverging in this way. Diverging means what? In this way. Then how will be the wavefront will be formed? Red color I am making. They will be like this. They all are making what? 90 degree. So the wavefront is what? Spherical. Okay. Second point, this is first. Now second is what? Light emerging out from a convex lens when a point source is placed at what? Focus. So let us suppose this is a point source and this is placed at the focus of what? Convex lens. If any point source is placed at the focus, then the ray which is coming out from this, after falling to the lens, they will become what? Parallel to the principal axis. So if this is principal axis, it is parallel. Then we know that the wavefront from parallel rays is what? Plane wavefronts. So these are what? Plane wavefront. And this what? Plane wavefront. And this what? Spherical wavefront. Now third part is what? The portion of wavefront of light from the distant star to what? Earth. Let us suppose this is what? This is a star and it is what? Earth. The distance from star to earth is what? Infinite. So we know that if a ray coming from infinity, it will be what? Parallel, infinite source. And again the wavefront will be what? Plane wavefront in this case. The wavefront will be what? Plane wavefront in this case. So this is our second question answer. Now we are moving on what? Question number 3. The question number 3 is, the refractive index of glass is 1.5. This is given that refractive index of glass is how much? 1.5. What is the speed of light in glass? Very easy. We know the formula. And what is the formula? That formula is what? Formula is mu is equal to C upon what? V. Because first medium is what? We will take what? Air. Another is what? Glass. If this is a glass, then the light coming from where? Air to glass. So this we are taking. So the refractive index is given, speed of light we know, then that this is simply, so we can simplify the formula, that is V is equal to what? C upon what? Mu, and the value of C is what? 3 into 10 ki power 8, and mu is how much? 1.5. It is 2 into 10 to power 8 meter per second. Now second part, B, is what? Is the speed of light in glass independent of color? Answer is what? No. How we can say that? We have derived the formula, that is what? Mu is equal to lambda 1 by what? Lambda 2. The refractive index depends upon what? The wavelength, and this wavelength is what? V1 upon what? V2, or we can say C upon what? V. So speed is also depending over what? Wavelength. And they are asking which of the two colors of red or violet traverse slower. The answer is that the violet color, speed of violet is less than the speed of what? Red color. You have to give the reason why. This is your homework. Why? Go through the thing. I have tell which, but why. This you will explain. So that's, I am giving questions also. Try by yourself. If not, then we will continue. So this is our what? Question number 3. So now question number 4. In YDSE, Young's double slit experiment, the slit are separated by 0.28 mm. This is what? This is small d. And the screen is placed 1.4 meter away. This is what? Capital D. The distance between the central bright fringe and the fourth bright fringe is measured to be what? This. So this is what? Y. But they are talking about what? Fourth. That is what? Y4. N is equal to how much in this question? Is what? 4. This you have to understand by the language. Determine the wavelength. So very easy in this experiment. So if you will see YDSE, this is the experimental setup. This is small d. This is source 1 and this is what? Source 2. And there is the screen. This is what? Capital D. And they are asking from here to somewhere. This is what? Point P. And this is what? Y4. They are asking about this. So they have given you what? They have given small d is equal to how much? 0.28 millimeter. And that is equal to 0.28 into 10 ki power minus 3 what? Meter. They have given you what? Small n is equal to what? 4. They have given you what? Capital D screen, that is distance 1.4 meter. And one more thing, they have given you what? That y distance, and that is what? Y4 is 1.2 centimeter. This will be what? 1.2 into 10 ki power how much? Minus 2 meter. Centimeter into what? Meter. This. Now the formula what we will use? We are knowing the formula, that is yn is equal to n lambda d upon what? D. We have derived this. For we have to find out what? Lambda. So lambda is equal to what? Yn into d. Yn into d upon what? nd. ठीक है, ये हमारा फॉर्मूला यूज होगा अगर हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लें. ठीक है ना. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ this is 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. Small d is what? 2.8 into 10 ki power minus 3 upon 4 upon how much? 1.4. When you will solve this, this is how much? 100. This and this will cancel. This is how much? 2. This is also what? 2. This is how much? 6. When you will simplify, this is lambda is equal to 600 nanometer. So answer. This is your what? Question number 4. Now question number 5. In YDSE, Young's double slit experiment, using monochromatic light of wavelength what? Lambda, the intensity of light at a point on a screen where path difference, this is very important, where path difference is what? Lambda, is how much? K units. तो जब path different delta x कितना होगा? Lambda, उस समय intensity कितनी होगी? K. इसने पूछा है what is the intensity of light at a point where path difference is how much? Lambda by 3. So this question is important, and for this question we have to go for what? Our derivation, our questions. This formula we will use, that we have derived, and we will use what? Path difference formula, delta x, and relation between path difference and what? Phase difference. So please go through with these formulas, why we have used them. So we know the formula for the solution we have derived in the starting of the lecture, that is I is equal to I naught cos square phi by 2. Why I have used this? Because this is a monochromatic light. ठीक है, and light at a point on a screen. So that is why we are using. So the intensity will remain what? Same. I1 I2 is equal to what? I naught. That's why I have used this formula. You have to use this formula. This is important for you. Now they have given delta x is equal to what? Pi, and at this time I is equal to how much? K. So we have to, from pi we have to go about what? 5. Path difference to what? Phase difference, and there is a relation, that is what? Phi is equal to how much? 2 pi upon lambda into what? Delta x. So phi is equal to how much? 2 pi upon lambda into what? Lambda. We cancel out. Phi is equal to what? 2 pi. We will substitute here. Then in place of I we can write what? K is equal to 4 I naught into cos square into what? 2 pi. cos 180 is minus 1, but square is what? Again plus 1. So k is equal to what? 4 I naught. So from here we will get what? I naught is equal to k by 4. We will use this. Let's suppose it is 1. Now what they are asking? They are asking what is the intensity. So let us suppose the intensity is what? I dash. When delta x is equal to how much? Pi by 3. Again we will find what? Phi. That is how much? 2 pi upon what? Lambda into what? Delta x. We will substitute here. Then it is how much? 2 pi upon lambda into pi by what? 3. So it is 2 pi by what? 3. We will substitute this in this formula. Then I is equal to how much? I naught cos square 2 pi by 3 into what? 2. This will be cancelled. And pi by 3 is what? 1 by 2 का square कितना हो जाएगा? 4. So that is how much? 1 by 4. When you will solve this term, it will comes to this. And this will cancel out. And I naught is equal to how much? K by 4. So this is what? I naught, and it is equal to what? K by 4. So this is not I, sorry, this is I dash here we are using. So I dash is equal to k by 4 to 1 by 4th. It will decrease out. This is your solution for question number what? 5.
Now question number 7. In a Young's double slit experiment, the angular width of a fringe is found to be 0.2 degree. अब इसको हम समझेंगे डायग्राम में. On a screen placed 1 meter away, ये क्या है हमारे पास? कैपिटल D है. The lambda of light is 600 nanometer. It is given. What is the angular width? What is the angular width of fringe if the entire experiment or setup is immersed in water? अगर पूरे सेटअप को हम किसी दूसरे रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स में इमर्ज करें तो क्या होगा? दैट इज व्हाट? वाटर. एंड गिवन वाटर इज इक्वल टू दिस. टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन पहले हम समझते हैं डायग्राम से. तो ये YDSE एक्सपेरिमेंट है. ये S1 स्लिट था, ये S2 स्लिट था. इनके बीच की दूरी D थी. और ये क्या था हमारे पास में? स्क्रीन था. इस स्क्रीन पे ये हमारे पास कैपिटल D था. यहाँ पर हमारे पास में डिफरेंट फ्रिंजेस बनती थी. मान लीजिए ये एक फ्रिंज विड्थ है, तो इसको हम किससे लिखते थे? लेटर बीटा, फ्रिंज विड्थ. और यहाँ से ये जितना एंगल सबटेंड कर रहा है दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट? थीटा एफ. एफ मीन्स व्हाट? फ्रिंज विड्थ. हमने एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ले लिया थीटा एफ. तो फ्रॉम द डायग्राम वी कैन राइट अ फॉर्मूला एंड दैट इज व्हाट? दैट इज थीटा एफ इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? एंगल इज इक्वल टू आर्क अपॉन रेडियस. So that is beta upon what? D. This distance is very less. And what is beta? Beta is equal to lambda D upon D, and 1 is D. This will be cancelled out. N is equal to what? 1 we are using here. So the formula is what? Theta F is equal to how much? Lambda upon what? D. Now the thing is that the question is, as we know that lambda, अगर हम किसी मीडियम में टिप कर रहे हैं तो लैम्डा डैश इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? लैम्डा अपॉन व्हाट? म्यू. ये हमने अपने फॉर्मुलेज में ड्राइव करा था. तो दिस इज फर्स्ट एंड इट इज व्हाट? सेकंड. हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? थीटा एफ डैश, जिस मीडियम में डैप कर रहे हैं, जिसका हमने वेवलेंथ लैम्डा डैश मान रखा है. और म्यू ऑफ व्हाट? वाटर है. ये क्या है? वाटर. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा लैम्डा डैश अपॉन व्हाट? डी. इसको हमने 3 मान लिया. पुट सेकेंड इन व्हाट? थर्ड. जैसे आप रखेंगे तो आपके पास में क्या आ जाएगा? एफ डैश इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? व्हेन यू विल पुट दिस इज हाउ मच? लैम्डा अपॉन म्यू ऑफ व्हाट? डी. एंड व्हाट इज लैम्डा अपॉन डी? दिस लैम्डा अपॉन डी इज व्हाट? एफ. दिस इज व्हाट? 4. पुट 1 in 4. What again you will get? You will get here that is f dash is equal to how much? Theta f upon what? Upon mu. So theta f dash or theta dash f is equal to theta f upon what? Mu. And theta f they have given you how much? 0.2 degree. And what is mu? Mu of what we are talking? Water. This is what? Water. This is 4 upon 3. When you will solve this is how much? 0.6 upon 4, that is 0.15 degree. This is the solution of question number 7. So this is what your question number 7 we have done. So till 7 we have done. Now we will move in next lecture. Thank you.